Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Give me a thumbs up just for the intro.
What's up, y'all? What's up? It's your man Bigg Vic. We back in the building with another video. So, yo, I'm just riding right now. I'm about to go get some, going to holler at this mechanic real quick. And my truck is showing that my filter is missing. Like my diesel, my DEF filter, it's saying DEF filter missing. Now I replaced my filter. I did a video of me replacing my filter. Somehow it's not seeing my filter right now. It's like, and I kind of ignored it when it first, the light went off, then it came back on. That light's been on for a little minute, so I should have been got that checked, but I didn't. So, probably gonna show this mechanic my codes. Want to show him my codes that popped up on my scan tool. I remember the first code popped up, said my diesel particulate filter missing. Then the other codes start popping up after that because, of course, it's not seeing that my filter is on the vehicle. So I'm gonna holler at him, let him look at the code, see what he thinks, let him know kind of like what happened from the beginning, and see if he can give me an idea. I'm gonna bring the truck to him. Probably let him put another filter on here and see if that will go ahead and kill that light for me. And get me back all the way right, because I'm not getting full power. Once again, like I'm not getting full power, and it's only because with these trucks pertaining to the DEF, when you start having issues in that department, whether it's a filter or a sensor, all that stuff triggers that computer to start not giving you full power. So, and I don't want it to linger on even more. Like I'm not gonna run no loads right now until I get that taken care of. Plus I gotta get an inspection done. I don't want to take it to the Brushes Truck Center right now because they will hit you in the head just for no reason at all. No reason. Even if I go in there with my own diagnostics, they're still going to want to do their own and charge me for that, which to me it doesn't make sense. So I'm going to take the codes over here to this guy at the pilot and see what he says. My man took his truck over here. He said the guy's the truth, so I'm gonna go check him out. He said he's the truth. He looked out for him, so I'm going to do the same thing. I don't want to get beat in my head by Rush Truck Center, even though I have a warranty. Another thing about the warranties, they're not all cracked up to be what they say they are. They really are not. Unless your engine just blows, it's like everything else is like almost irrelevant when it comes to the truck warranties that come on these that you'll buy, with your trucks. So I'm gonna go out here and see, man. That's what I'm doing right now. That's what today's consistent of. Plus I had to turn in some plates for the other cars. Of course, we transferred everything over to North Carolina, so I'm official. I got my North Carolina driver's license now. I'm an official resident of North Carolina. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now, y'all. That's what today is consisting of. I'm trying to get this truck back rolling, because y'all know we got to be ready for peak season. I got to be all the way ready. I don't need no hiccups during peak season. Too much money gonna be in the street. They telling y'all truck is messed up, but there's no possible way you're gonna ride on any interstate without seeing trucks out here getting to the money. No possible way you're gonna see that. No possible way. Told y'all, watch who y'all get y'all information from. All I see is transportation happening out here. Transportation. Y'all see them passing by. Look at this. Look at this. What y'all see? I just be laughing, y'all. I be laughing. It's funny. Come on, y'all tell me what y'all see. Count them. Point them out. Count them as you see them. Count them. I seen plenty of box trucks. Plenty of them. Before I turned on the camera, I've seen plenty of box trucks. But I'm just looking at the semis out here right now. And if you think you can't tap in to what's going on right here, you're sadly mistaken. Don't believe the hype.